President Biden says child poverty significantly dropped during his first year in office. Local 12's James Pilcher checked in today with area agencies who work with low-income families to see if that's really happening here. As part of our ongoing investigation, Childhood Poverty, Cincinnati's crisis.
Child poverty dropped by nearly 40%, the biggest drop ever in American history.
That was President Biden's claim Wednesday, but local experts, such as the Free Store Food Bank's Kurt Reiber, say the need is greater than ever, with 25% of kids in the service area needing some kind of food assistance, up from 20% before the pandemic. He says the recent return to remote learning because of rising COVID numbers means fewer low-income kids are getting free meals at schools.
When it comes right down to it, if we're looking at pre-pandemic levels, the challenges are still there.
We emailed the regional contact for the White House to clarify the president's comment, but did not get a response. U.S. Senator Sherrod Brown says the president was referring to the impact of the child tax credit. Last year's program paid most American families $300 monthly per child under 6 and $250 for older kids.
Child tax credit cut the poverty rate almost immediately by 40% among children in this country.
The most recent census numbers say 16% of children lived in poverty nationally in 2020. The rate was 25.4% for kids in Cincinnati public schools in 2020 and 16.5% for Hamilton County. Kevin Finn with Strategies to End Homelessness also says the need for services has skyrocketed.
Demand has gone through the roof. So, a 34% increase in the number of families needing help is like nothing that we've ever seen before.
Melissa Sommer with the Brighton Center in Northern Kentucky says her agency did see an impact by the tax credits last year, and demand is up in January now that the payments have stopped.
Where we were seeing families telling us that they were able to, get by prior, they are struggling. And certainly there was an impact.
James Pilcher, Local 12 News.
Democrats want to make the tax credits permanent, but the proposal is included in President Biden's Build Back Better bill that's deadlocked in Congress. You can read all our stories in this series at childhoodpoverty.com.